Welcome back to Full Course Online. In this lesson, we'll learn how to format text in PowerPoint using fonts, sizes, colors, and styles. Start by selecting the text you want to format. Go to the Home tab, where you'll see Font Options. To change the font, open the Font drop-down menu and pick one that suits your presentation style. Use larger font sizes for headings and smaller ones for body text. Colors can make text stand out. To change the color, select the text, then click the arrow next to the Font Color button. Choose a color that matches your design. Always keep enough contrast between the text and background for readability. You can also apply bold, italic, or underline for emphasis. Select the text and apply these styles from the Home tab. For extra effects, you can use highlights. Select the text first, then click the arrow next to the text highlight color button. Choose the highlight color you want. Good formatting helps your slides look professional and easier to read. That's all for this tutorial on formatting text in PowerPoint. If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to Full Course Online for more practical PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.